doesn't matter if you're tiny or tall.
It doesn't matter if you're big or small.
If you want to have fun, it doesn't matter at all.
You got it, big.
Why, thank you, small. Skipping, flipping, climbing up a rope. Hiding, riding, sliding down a slope. Skating on an ice cube, swinging on a star. It makes no difference what size you are.
Nice.
If you want to have fun, it doesn't matter at all. 'Cause here we are, we're big and small.
Yeah! I know it's in here somewhere. Okay. Woo! I found it!
You know, Small, life is so great when you get just the right amount of milk in your cereal.
How about a waterfall of milk? Is that just the right amount?
Oh.
Time to go and tickle the frogs! Woohoo! Why are doors always closed? Doesn't make any sense. Okay.
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm opening up the door. What's it look like? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
That does not look safe.
1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. See you later, pig.
I have got to make it easier for Small to get outside. But how? Small needs a small door. That's a good idea, huh? Okay, thinking of everything I need to build Small's door. Okay, Small is gonna love this. Okay, let's see. So we need the uppy part there, and the crossy part there, the downy part, maybe a little doorknob. Oh, a window. Now. Nice. Okay, it's sometimes a good idea to draw your door before you build your door. And the last thing to remember when building any door is always be very, very precise. Perfect. Not bad. Not bad at all.
You know what, Big? Tickling frogs is harder than you think.
Hey, Small. Hey, Small.
Not now, Big.
Yeah, but...
Okay, all right. Okay.
Small.
All right.
You don't have to do that.
Oh, yeah.
If you just have a look. Small.
Just a minute, okay? Okay.
Oh,
Nearly there.
Small.
Almost there.
Hey, Small, look here. Look, see, I made you a small door, just your size. It's like a real door, only teeny tiny.
Small? Teeny tiny?
Mm-hmm.
Big, what are you talking about? I fit in the big door just fine.
Yeah, but it... Okay. Hey, Small, I thought you'd like your own door.
Why do you always think that I need help, Big? I don't need your help, okay?
Okay.
Oh. Can you help me down?
Yeah.
You know what? You should ask me for help sometime and see how it feels.
Sometimes it's hard being a friend.
They say that a friend in need is a friend indeed, whose troubles you treat as your own. But when they doubt your hand reaching out, all you can say is I'll just walk away and leave you to do it alone. They say that a friend in need is a friend indeed, whose troubles you treat as your own. Just leave them to do it alone. They say that a friend in need is a friend indeed, whose troubles you treat as your own. Whoa.
Let me just see here. That's a great little door. Oh. Oh no. Small. Small.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Ha! Could a small guy drive like that? I don't think so!
Help! Small!
That sounded like Big. Calling for help? But Big never needs my help.
Help!
Hold on, Big! I'm coming! Oh, there you are. What happened?
Well, I was singing a song about how you should light your door and... Can you get me out of here? I'm stuck.
Excuse me? You, Big, need help from me, Small?
Yes, please.
Woohoo! I am on it. I will have you out in no time. All right, Big, it's a good thing that you asked me to save you because I have a brilliant plan. Are you ready? Good. Are you ready?
No.
Here we go. Okay, I think it's working.
I don't think it is.
I think it's working.
Told ya.
I don't think it worked.
Brilliant plan number 2. Okay, you're gonna think smaller, and that will make you be smaller, okay, Big? So take a very, very deep breath and close your eyes. In and out. Now pretend that you're a very tiny creature, Big. A small, tiny creature, smaller than a flea. Way smaller than me.
I'm small. Smaller than a flea. What's the rest?
Way smaller than me.
Smaller than you.
Great. Now move your tiny head.
My tiny head's still stuck. Hey, Small. I'm sorry I made you this little door. I should have asked you first.
Oh, that's okay. I'm sorry, I don't have brilliant plan number 3.
Yeah.
All right, Big, open up. Here comes the aeroplane.
Hey, Small,
Yeah?
could you put more butter on my noodles? They're not slurpy enough.
Butter. Butter? That's it! Yeah. Okay. All right there. Underneath the chin. Okay. Now this side. A little bit on the nose. Okay.
You did it, Small.
I did. Mm-hmm. I did. All right. Yay for me.
Hey, you just walk through your small door?
Well, it's a good little door, Big. Needs a bit of work, even though I don't need it. Unless I go outside. Then I might need it.
Or if you need to come inside.
Oh, yeah. Except for that. I don't need the door. But thanks anyway, Big.
Ah, you're welcome, Small.